Welcome to today's discussion on the fascinating and rewarding world of domestic engineers. You might be wondering, what exactly is a domestic engineer? Well, let's dive into the ins and outs of this amazing career choice that's gaining popularity and contributing significantly to modern society. A domestic engineer is a professional who manages all aspects of a household, from meal planning and childcare to budgeting and home maintenance. They're the unsung heroes who keep our homes running smoothly, ensuring that families can achieve a healthy work-life balance. Did you know that the demand for domestic engineers is on the rise? With more families needing support in managing their busy lives, this profession is experiencing steady growth. It's a rewarding career with plenty of room for development, and it's perfect for those who love making a difference in people's lives. One of the most exciting aspects of being a domestic engineer is the role they play in promoting diversity and social impact in the workplace. By managing households, they help create an inclusive environment that breaks down traditional gender roles, enabling all family members to focus on their careers and personal growth. Now let's talk about what it takes to excel as a domestic engineer. Success in this role requires excellent time management skills, strong problem-solving abilities, effective communication, adaptability, and expertise in budgeting and financial planning. With these skills in your arsenal, you'll be well equipped to tackle the challenges of managing a dynamic household. Education and certifications can vary for domestic engineers, but there's no shortage of skills and experiences you can acquire to excel in this role. As a domestic engineer, you'll enjoy a fulfilling career with a potential for growth in various areas, such as event planning, personal assistance, or home organization consultancy. So how about the financial side of things? Compensation for domestic engineers varies across countries, but the average salary and hourly rates can be quite competitive with attractive benefits packages and additional perks. It's important to research the compensation landscape in your region to understand what to expect. Now that we've covered the basics, let's look into the future of this profession. With the rise of the gig economy, there are new opportunities for domestic engineers to take on part-time or freelance work, allowing them to cater to multiple clients and potentially increase their earning potential. One of the most inspiring aspects of this career is the way domestic engineers promote diversity and social impact. They foster inclusivity by ensuring that all family members can focus on their careers without the burden of household management. This support helps break down traditional gender roles and encourages a more equitable distribution of domestic tasks. We've covered a lot, so let's wrap up by addressing some frequently asked questions. What's the career growth potential? As we mentioned, there's room for specialization, transitioning to related fields, or even starting your own business. How can someone transition from another career? Gaining experience through volunteering or part-time work and pursuing relevant certifications or training can be helpful. Are there professional organizations or certifications? While there are no specific organizations, you can pursue certifications in related areas like childcare, nutrition, and home management. How to enhance skills. Stay informed about trends and best practices, network with other professionals, and consider relevant training or certifications. What's the role of technology? Technology can help streamline various tasks, from budgeting to meal planning and connecting with clients. In conclusion, domestic engineers play a vital role in our modern society, making a direct and meaningful impact on the well-being of families. With its rewarding nature, potential for growth, and positive impact on society, the profession of domestic engineering might just be the perfect career choice for you. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the world of domestic engineers. We hope this conversation has piqued your interest and provided valuable insights into this remarkable profession.